we got a run through really of the cleanse. Okay, so it's sort of a why you're doing it. Okay, you can go next, why you need the cleanse. Okay, and just the aim of everything, because it's part of the PDF. Okay, and if we go back to the start, we could say, all right, now we want to start the cleanse. So Jake, to click start cleanse, you type in your weight, 120 kilos.
Big boy.
Okay,
Start date, 6th of October. And then we're just going to take a photo of our face, our front, our side, and our back.
Yeah, we're going to skip that.
Skip that for now.
You don't have to do that, right? But it's cool when you get to see this stuff, right?
Cool. Then it says confirm. And then it gives you your exact dates and you begin.
Okay, so it gives you a checklist of everything you need to do. Okay, so see how it's got the couple drops under the tongue. You can tap that, and then it starts an immediate timer for around a few hours later to start your next drops. And then say you've done your capsules for the day, you tick that. You've drunk your water. This is day 1, right? So the salt's only in the water for that. And then the next day it'll change for you. And that's your checklist done for the day. And it'll change automatically. When you're in week 2, it'll change to extract and the other stuff you need to do. But the cool thing is, this is the main stuff, right? That's good for the people that love the checklist.